part 3 for Unit 8 bonus points is completing the square. I have to rewrite the following in vertex form by completing the square, and I have to state the coordinates of the turning points. Okay, so what you want to look at here? Step 1. You want to find B, divide by 2, and then you want to square it, and you'll get some number. So I'm going to start that over here. Looking at my equation, B is negative 12. I'm going to divide by 2. I get negative 6. And then I'm going to square it, and I get 36. So that's the number that we're talking about here. Okay? Step 2. You want to write down the first 2 terms. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to copy down my equation. So y equals, and I'm copying down the first 2 terms. X squared minus 12x. Now, I want to add and subtract the number from step 1. So remember this number that we found in step 1? I'm going to add it and subtract it. Okay? Next, I want to copy down the last term. So notice at the end I had a plus 21. I'm going to copy that down. Okay? Next, box the first 3 terms. So I'm going to box in 1, 2, 3. The first 3 terms I'm going to box in, and then box the rest. That's all this stuff on the end. Okay? So now, the first box turns into a set of parentheses squared. So this first box, y equals, I'm going to get a set of parentheses squared. Now, the number that goes in my parentheses is the number that was in my parentheses in step 1. Okay? So the number in parentheses from step 1. That's what goes. So in parentheses up here I have a negative 6. So then in my parentheses down here I have a negative 6. And then I always put an X on the front. Okay? So that's where that comes from. Next, you want to combine like terms. That's box 2. So in box 2, I'm going to combine like terms. So on my calculator, negative 36 plus 21. And I get a negative 15. So I'm going to put negative 15. There you go. And that's it. That's completing the square. Now, what you might be asked to do is take out the turning point. But you only do that if you are asked. So if you were asked to take out, and look at this, we are, and state the coordinates of the turning point. If you're asked to take it out, take it out. So the turning point is, it's the coordinate. I take the number out of the parentheses and change the sign. So when I take it out of the parentheses, change the sign. And then the number on the end stays the same. So my turning point is 6, comma, negative